guys, it's Melanie, and today I don't know, I have a finger out. Today I am doing a Zaful haul, and yeah, I don't have much to say about it, but this time I haven't like opened the package really at all, so I'm just gonna like, not really an unboxing, but kind of an unboxing, I guess. Let me fix this. I don't know, I was just like, this package came really quick. I didn't think it was gonna come this quick, but I'm really in the mood to film right now, so might as well do it while I'm in the mood, if you know what I'm saying. So let's get straight into it. Don't know, I just did that. Okay, so basically it came in this bag, and it came in literally like 2 or 3 days. It was super quick, which it usually is. And then Zaful, I just noticed, did I even say this is a Zaful haul? I don't remember, but they're I noticed that they upped their like quality, I guess. They come in all these Zaful brand bags, and they're like nice. It says Zaful, and then it's like a zip, so it's pretty nice quality. Zaful's a little bit pricier than like Romwe and Shein and stuff. But from what I have noticed, they have like a little bit, I don't want to say better quality, but like it's a little bit more reliable and consistent in my opinion. It's still like the same thing. It's like a Asian whatever brand it's called. Okay, so I got quite a few things. It's just like, you know, keeps coming. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. This is my first time looking at everything, so you kind of get my first impression, I guess. So let's just start with this one because it's open. So here we go. This is the first one, and it just looks like one of those little popcorn shirts. They have the really nice like Zaful tags, so it looks pretty professional. Like, Zaful's a name brand now. Oh my gosh, the tag just fell off. Oh, also by the way, this is going to be a try-on haul because I know y'all love your try-on hauls, and you literally rip my booty crack when it's not a try-on haul. So it will of course be one, but this is just an off-the-shoulder little popcorn thingy. Also, by the way, sorry that this location is super ugly, but I'm too lazy to get my tripod out right now, so shh. And my room is really messy. Like, I didn't even make my bed. I'm really sorry about that. The real me, okay? I really like this color. I don't know what it is. This isn't mauve, but it's a nice color. Like, since I don't have boobs, it's hard for like off-the-shoulder tops to stay up on me. But since this is like popcorny, I don't even know if this is called popcorn, but since it's like so like stretchy but like tight, you know what I'm saying? It like stays up, and it feels like good quality. So I'm excited for that. By the way, I know I've said this like a million times. I'm just really excited. I'm going to Mexico during the summer, and basically that's just what I had in mind when I was like shopping for stuff, because I was like, this will look cute in Mexico photos. This will look cute in Mexico. I also got a lot of bikinis that I'm obviously probably not going to be wearing here because I live in freaking Seattle. Ooh, this little contraption. So this is just like a knit top. This is also off the shoulder. I'm not sure if this is going to stay up on me, but we'll hope for the best. You'll see what it looks like on the try-on because I have no clue how to describe this, but I feel like I've seen this a lot on the interwebs. So hopefully this looks good on me. If it doesn't, I'm probably going to shed a tear. Bikini, because you know, gotta get those bikini pics for the Instagram and whatnot. This is a really basic plain bikini. It's literally just a plain ribbed triangle bikini, and it feels like really good quality. It's ribbed, it has padding, just like tie on the top and bottom, and you know Zaful with their very scandalous little bottoms and stuff. This is a very scandalous little bikini, so we'll see how that goes. The only thing that's not packaged in the same like bag like this, but you know, let's see how the item turns out. We don't judge based on the packaging, okay? I guess since it's in a different packaging, it's not Zaful brand, it's some other brand that I've never heard of. This is just a little dress, and it has this nice little floral-ish print, and it's like navy blue, and then I think this is a tie one, like a wrap tie one. I really like this wrap tie style. I think it's really adorable, and then it has like the straight cup top, which I also really like. I got this top. It's the top Vanessa Hudgens wore to Coachella like 20 years ago. Coachella goddess. It's just one of those knit little thingy things, and then it has cool like crocheting, a little pop of color. I actually think this is way cuter in person than I did when I looked at it online. But the only thing is it's literally just a front, and then everything else is tie, so I don't know if I can wear this at home. Like, I'd probably look normal wearing this in Mexico, but like if I wore this at home, people would be like, the heck, are you at a rave? This is just like a white tie tank top. This is really cute. I like this. It looks kind of big, so we'll see if this fits me, but I really like this. Next thing, is a little bikini. Oh, oh my, oh, oh. Do not know how to work this. Like that. This is like a twisty front bikini. I figured it out. This pattern is literally so cute. Sorry, that word's obnoxious, but I hope this fits me because I don't have much of a chest, as I say in every single video. These bottoms give more coverage, which I appreciate because I also don't have much of a butt and I'm not trying to let it hang everywhere. Ooh, and the sides are like twisted too. I think that's really cute detail. Yeah, I really like this pattern. I don't know why. Just gives me good summer vibes, you know what I'm saying? I feel like this pattern is totally my aesthetic. Not like I have one. I ended up liking that pattern so much. I think I got another thing in pretty much the same pattern. Just this little dress. This is way different quality than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like, I don't know what fabric, but it's kind of like chiffon. This feels like really good quality though. Ruffle sleeves, which are really adorable, and they're adjustable, which is helpful because, you know, all body sizes and whatnot. I love the bottom. It has these little ruffles still. I just think ruffles are such a like a perfect little summery, like, you know, you probably don't know. Hopefully this looks good on, because if it doesn't, I'm probably gonna shed a freaking tear because this looks really, really nice. A few more items left. I got a sweater, even though it's literally 80 degrees out right now, even though it's summer, even though yeah, I just really like the sweater, and I've seen a lot of people have this. Not like a lot, but like a lot, if you know what I'm saying. This is just like, ooh, that looks kind of weird. But this is like a distressed sweater. I really liked how it was distressed, like on the bottom. I don't know how I feel about the top. It looks a little too like tassels and like aligned for me at the moment, but maybe I'll get used to it. And like the sleeves and everything are really distressed. I just kind of like the bohemian rustic, like distressed, like I don't care vibes, you know what I'm saying? But you know, that's what this looks like. Hopefully this looks good on. Hopefully it'll make me look like I don't care, you know, like I'm just chilling in my distressed sweatshirt. I got a pair of shorts because I love shorts. I'm trying to get more shorts that are like not denim ones so that I can go out of my like everyday denim little shorty shorts. So I got these. I really love this color. It's like the rustic orange, and I love stripes. I literally love stripes so much. All kinds of stripes, vertical, horizontal, we don't discriminate here. Beautiful color, you know? Yeah. Next thing I got is this little two-piece. I love two-piece sets for some reason, just because I feel like it's double your money, like double your deal. Two-piece sets make you look like really put together, and then you can also wear them together or apart. This kind of looks
mega freaking huge.
Which I'm getting kind of concerned because I think I ordered them like extra tiny. This is US 4, so I don't know. This is what the shorts look like. They look pretty big in my opinion. I really like the print. It just reminds me of Greece, which is not where I'm going, but you know, it's hey. And then this is the top, which looks really big. It looks like a huge bra. We'll see if this works out. But at least it's adjustable straps. For people who don't make adjustable straps,
like, frick you, that's kind of rude.
Plus it's lace up, so I'll just be like, you know what I'm saying? Tie it super tight because nobody's gonna, Hopefully this looks good on. I really can't tell. Hopefully this isn't too short. I'm kind of concerned now, but you know, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. The last item is this. I remember this. Just a little crop top. Ooh, this looks a little big too. So they got this thing going where their stuff is a little big in my opinion. This is a size small, but it still looks kind of freaking big for me. But this is what it looks like. I really like the print, and this feels like really good quality. I'm pretty happy with this. Basically it's a really cropped crop top, and then it just has a little tie thing here, which I'll tie later for the try on. But yeah, that's what this looks like. I really, really like this print, and I love this color. I don't know what this color's called, but I love it. So yeah. So that's my little Zaful, Zaful. It's Zaful, guys. Zaful haul. That's my freaking Zaful haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Overall, I'm really happy with the quality, the time it came, all that, and hopefully, you know, I'll let you know how I feel about it here after I try everything on, because, you know, that takes a little while. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more Zaful hauls, more anything hauls, because I tend to haul a lot of stuff. It's a recurring pattern here on my channel. So, or if you want to see, like, how I style it or anything, go check me out on the Insta. And, yeah, that's all. Thanks so much for watching, and see you later. Bye!